morning students, in third standard, in last period we learnt about the point multiplying with 0, multiplying with 1, commutative property of multiplication. Next point is multiplying by tens and multiplying by 100. We have learned about this in last period. And we also solve the exercise 4 point. Then our point is next point, multiplication of 2 digit, multiplication by 2 digit numbers. Multiplication by a 2 digit number. Multiplication by a 2 digit number. Then, for example, we have given one example of this type. One example of this type. Example number 1 is 46 multiplied by 23. Solution of this is, here 23 can be written as a 20. Here 23 can be written as 23 can be written as 23 is equal to 20 plus 3. Then 46 is first term multiplied by 46 is first term multiplied by 20. First term multiplied by 20. Therefore, 46 multiplied by 20 is equal to 0. We see the multiplying by 10, 20, 50. 0 is in ones place and give multiplication to 10. That is 2 6 are 12. 1 adding 1 to the tens, 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 20 is the even product. Next, now 46 multiplied by this 3. 46 multiplied by 3. Next, 46 multiplied by 3. Then next step is 46. Therefore, 46 multiplied by 3 is 3 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 50, and 3 6 are 80. Then 8 is in ones column and carry 1 to the tens. Then 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 30. Then 46 multiplied by 3 is 138. Then adding these two, that is this multiplication and this multiplication adding, we get, therefore 920 plus 138 is equal to 1058. 1058. Therefore 46 multiplied by 23 is equal to 1058. This is final answer. Firstly, in this example, we 23 can be written as in this way. 23 is equal to 20 plus 3. Then first 46 is first multiplied by 20. Then firstly 46 multiplied by 20 is 920. Then secondly 46 multiplied by 3. Then adding this 46 multiplied by 3 is 138. Then adding these two multiplication, that is 920 plus 138 is equal to 1058, and the final answer is 46 multiplied by 23 is 1058. Then this is one method. Then next one we have to see second method. Second method of this example is in standard method. This is we have see simple method. In here we solve the given multiplication by standard method. 46 multiplied by 23. Then multiplication. Firstly multiplying by 1, that is 46 multiplied by 3. Then 3 6 are 18. Carry 1 to the tens column. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 3. Next starting multiplication multiplied by 2, that is tens. 46 multiplied by 2. Then we get one second column as a no given number. No give any number. Then 2 6 are 12. Carry 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then addition of those two multiplication is 8 as it is. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 9 plus 1 is 10. 1058. This is given multiplication, that is 46 multiplied by 30. This is standard method of multiplying the. Firstly here multiply by ones. Next here multiplied by tens. Next here multiply by. This is method of multiplication by 2-digit number. Next second example is you solve the examples of in standard method. Second example is multiply 261 multiplied by 32. Then in standard form multiplication is 261 multiplied by 32. Next firstly multiply by 1, that is 261 multiplied by 2, that is multiplied by 1s. Two ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, carry 1 to the hundreds column, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Next adding, next one is multiplying by 10, that is 261 multiplied by 3, multiply by 10s. In if we multiplied by 10s, then in ones column they can't take any number, that is any number in the ones column. They multiplication starting from tens column, tens digit. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 80, carry 1 to the hundreds column, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Then adding this multiplication, 2 as it is, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13, carry 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8352 is given multiplication. 261 multiplied by 32 is given, multiplication is 8352. Next one is exercise 4.3. Next one is exercise 4.3. We solve some examples of exercise. We solve some examples of exercise. Exercise 4.3. First example is multiply the following. Multiply the following. First example is 61 multiplied by 41. In standard method, firstly multiply by ones. That is 61 multiplied by 1. Multiply by ones. Means 1 ones are 1, 1 6 are 6. Next adding, multiply by 10. That is 61 multiplied by 4. Multiply by 10. 4 ones are 4, 6 are 24. Then adding these two multiplication, 1 as it is, 6 plus 4 is 10. Then 0 is in tens column and carry 1 to the hundreds column. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 2 as it is. 2501 is given multiplication. 61 multiplied by 41 is 2501. Then next the second example is 52 multiplied by 13. Then firstly multiplying by 1, that is 52 multiplied by 3. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Next adding, next multiplying by 1, that is 10, that is 52 multiplied by 1. Then there is no number in one's column. 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5. Then multiplication is 6 as it is. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. This is example. Multiplication is 52 multiplied by 30 is equal to 676. Next one example is 180 multiplied by 24. Firstly multiplying by ones. Multiplying by ones. Next multiplying by tens. Then firstly multiplying by 1, that is 180 multiplied by 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 8 are 32. The 2 is in tens column and carry 3 in hundreds column. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Next adding, then multiplying by tens, there is no number in ones column. 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, carry 1 to the hundreds column. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 0 as it is, 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 6 is 30, carry 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4320 is given multiplication, that is 180 multiplied by 24 is equal to 4320. Then we have seen another example of multiplication by 2 multiplied by 22. Firstly, multiplying by 132, 2 multiplied by 2, multiplying by 1. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Next, adding, multiplying by tens. Multiplying by 10, that is 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 4, and 4 as it is, 4 plus 4 will be 8, 4 plus 4 4884 is given multiplication. Next, we have given multiplication tables 11 to 20. Then we have given this in this way. First, we have given first table. First table, 11 multiplied by 1 is 11. 11 multiplied by 2 is table multiplication table. 11 to 20. 11 multiplied by 2 is 22. 11 multiplied by 2 is 33. 11 multiplied by 4 is 44. 11 multiplied by 5 is 55. 11 multiplied by 6 is 66. 11 multiplied by 7 is 77. 11 multiplied by 8 is 88. 11 multiplied by 9 is 99. 11 multiplied by 10 is 110. This is table of 11. Then in similar way, next table of 12. That this table, right, we have given multiplication tables. First we have given 11 table. Second one is 12th table. Third one is 13th table. Fourth one is 14th table. 15th table. 16th, 7th. In similar way, we solve the tables. In this, then we finish our fourth chapter. Next chapter is division. We have also write the table of next table. In last year, we learned about the tables. Next table is 12 multiplied by 1 is 12. 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. 12 multiplied by 3 is 36. 12 multiplied by 4 is 48. 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. 12 multiplied by 6 is equal to 72. 12 multiplied by 7 is equal to 84. 12 multiplied by 8 is 96. 12 multiplied by 9 is 108. And 12 multiplied by 10 is equal to 110. This is table of 12. In similar way, solve the write the remaining tables, that is 13th table, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th. We given we have given one simply multiplication. Then we get tables. Then in next period, we see our next chapter. Next chapter is division. We will start from next period. Okay, thank you.